How's it going, boys? Just wanted to make a quick video to share with you an exciting new product that makes the heavy-duty penis pump much better than it used to be. So if you guys remember, my favorite penis pump is this heavy-duty penis pump, and it's a very simple pump. So first you choose the cylinder for your penis size, and then it comes with this pumping handle that is a manual pump. And when you're pumping, you can also monitor the vacuum inside the cylinder like this. Now, this pump has just gotten an upgrade, and I'm very excited to share it with you because it makes the pumping routine much better and much more effective, and I've honestly seen much better results using it. So the heavy-duty penis pump now features an electrical pump that you can attach to your existing cylinder, so you don't have to buy a new cylinder. And the cool thing about this pump, besides the fact that you can use it in the traditional way, you can just basically turn it on and create the vacuum inside the cylinder. So besides the fact that this pump is much lighter, it's around 200 to 300 grams. It's much more portable, so it's easier to travel with. And the obvious way to use it is to basically just turn it on and create the vacuum inside the cylinder. But that's not why I'm excited about this pump. So what this pump actually does is it has 6 different smart modes. So what you do is this. First of all, you pump and you create the vacuum pressure to your desired vacuum pressure. And then you have the smart button right here. And what the smart button does is it has 6 different modes to create interval training for your penis. So let me show you. If you press on the first mode, it will first release the pressure and then we'll start building it up. And then once it reaches the initial pressure that you set, it will get to it, then release the pressure, and then get to it and release the pressure. So it's basically training your penis. Instead of having constant vacuum pressure on your penis, it's playing around with the pressure inside. And it has 6 different modes. So the second mode is similar, but it will play around with the pressure once it reaches the peak, as you can see, and then it will release it. And then the third one is also a little bit similar, but it's more on the lower side. So it will pump it a little bit, then a little bit more, then a little bit more. It will reach the peak and then play around with the vacuum there. So it's very good for training your erections. And my favorite is the fourth mode because it keeps the vacuum hovering on the higher end. So it doesn't allow the penis to deflate completely. It will deflate just a little bit and then it will pump it back up. And if you are on my OnlyFans page, I already made a whole demonstration showing how it actually works, and you can actually see how the penis is actually moving inside the pump, getting pumped and released. And I feel like this is training my penis and my erections in a much better way. And from using it for just a couple of weeks, I'm seeing quite a significant improvement in my erections. And you can see like the before and after photos when I started using it on my OnlyFans page, and then a week after. Another way to use the pump is to put it on mode 6. And what mode 6 does is it will go to your pre-selected vacuum pressure and it will just keep it there. So if you are pumping and you don't want to just keep pumping when your penis is expanding inside the cylinder, you want the pump to do the work for you and you want to keep constant pressure, the mode 6 is the one to go. You can see it's going to turn itself back on every time it loses pressure. And whenever you're done, you can just press the release button and it will start releasing the vacuum inside the cylinder. So it will not release it completely. So if you pumped a little bit too much and you just want to release it just a little bit, you can press the release just a little bit and it will release it just the amount that you need. And on top of this, a part that comes with the new handle is this rubber silicone thing. Now this rubber cushion, or whatever you want to call it, is really cool because first of all, it prevents any skin and also prevents your balls from getting sucked inside the cylinder. But on top of this, it adds a soft layer to the bottom of the cylinder, and it makes the whole pumping experience much more comfortable because if you know when you start pumping, the cylinder is going to start pressing against your body, and you know it works fine. You can use it that way without this, but when you add this rubber or this silicone, will actually make a soft padding between the cylinder and your body, will make the experience much more comfortable, and it also prevents the skin around your penis from getting sucked into the pump. So it's gonna make the whole experience much better, much more comfortable. Anyways, I'm really excited about this product. I've been using it for over a week. All the videos of all the different modes are already on my OnlyFans page. So if you wanna check it out in action, make sure to check out my OnlyFans page. The link is gonna be in the description of this video below, along with the link to this pump. You can either get just the handle if you already have the cylinder, or you can get the whole package depending on you. But in my opinion, this is by far the best penis pump that I ever tried, and I felt like you might want to know about it because it's a brand new product release and pretty much nobody knows about it yet. So I felt like sharing this one with you. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you leave it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments section below, what do you think about this pump? Are you gonna get it or not? I'm personally loving it, and I'm sure you're gonna love it as well. And anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye.